In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ready-to-go Etch e-signature packets with Anvil Document AI. To start, navigate to your Etch E-sign dashboard. Next, click on Create e-sign packet. You can either use a previously templatized document or create a new one. Today, I'll be uploading a new document, specifically a mutual non-disclosure agreement, which will include an initial signer and a countersigner. Once you've added your documents, check Use Anvil Document AI. Then click Create e-sign packet. As you can see, Anvil Document AI identified both signers for me, the recipient and the company representative. I just have to enter my signers' names and emails. As you can see, my signers were added for me with the correct signer names, and my fields were connected for me successfully. Since the majority of my e-signature packet was set up for me by Document AI, I can instead focus my time on refining my packet. For example, some information like the agreement date and the company name can be filled out before the packet is sent out to signers. To do this, select the field, and under How do you want to fill this field, select With a literal value. Enter the relevant details. Repeat this process as necessary. Now my e-signature packet is ready to send out. Thanks to Document AI identifying my signature fields, the entire process only took a couple of minutes.